What thou shall said shall never stop happening. No be small thing, no, my people. The place where they call Dream World Amusement Park. This park where we say go play. They say something don't happen for there. How this girl lost millions of naira for inside that place in one blinking of eyes. But this is very, very wrong. The management of this particular dream world, the dream world. Why did you allow this to come to social media? Do you think that people will feel safe when coming to your business? Some people do not know how to do business. But however, this girl must go justice from this particular place. Dream World Amusement Park in Owerri. No be small thing, no, my people. Mona come hear this matter. I go play you this video. May you watch, because too much talk no dey for this one. May you watch before we go come back. Come continue.
Adema biko ụmụnne m ndị Igbo eji m n'aka na ebe onye nọ ugbu a na ọ na enweta onwe ya. O nwere ihe merenụ dị mkpa n'ụwa niile nụrụ ya, maka na asị na agbụ ọrịa oshi ya ala. O nwere ihe mere na Dreamland Amusement Park, Dream World Amusement Park nọ n'Akachi Aba Road na steeti Imo here. So something terrible happened, and the Cambridge ka na-ele ma enwere ike ime ma ndị ahụ ga-eme ihe ha kwesịrị ime, so that ụwa niile hapụ ịbịa hụwa ike ha ihe ndere anya. But a chọpụtara na ha achọghị ime exactly ihe ha kwesịrị ime. So we will grant interview to one of the victims of ihe na-eme ebe a, because ha ma na o nwere ihe ndị ọzọ na-eme ebe a, mana nke a na-agbagwoju anya. So nwanne anyị nwaanyị na ebe a, o nwere ike jiri asụsụ bekee ma ọ jirikwa asụsụ Igbo nke ọbụla ga-adị ya mma ọ ga-eji. Nne kedu? Ị ga-ekwuchite okwu ike. Ogbe anyị aha gị?
Aha m wụ Jasmine Chamaka.
Okay. Gịnị mere na Dream World ahụ?
On 21st of January, Sunday, I got a Dream World Amusement Park game. So ka anyị rutere ebe ahụ, anyị ahụ two of their colleagues no there, their workers no there, because ị ga-ịgba the game, ị ga-ebu ụzọ ị ga-ego na your card before you get about the game, and card aka gị pass gị. So anyị rutezi ebe ahụ, two of the workers eme anyị attend. Nara anyị the card anyị. Sizi anyị na anyị do, because ị ga-ịgba the game, ị ga-enye ha your belongings, your bags and everything. So inside my bag, my phones were inside. iPhone 14 Pro, 12 Pro, and Samsung Galaxy A24 with my sister's own, but 8, yeah.
So how many phones?
That's involved? 4 phones.
4 phones are involved.
With khaki and ATM. So I rutezi ebe ahụ. The boy asị anyị na he already things hand over to colleague ya cousin. So I already hand over to the boy. Then I abanye gakwa n'ige gba the game. Because na game ahụ, ị ga-eyipushi ma slippers gị ma wig gị na ihe gị niile. So I ga-etinye gị seat belt so that ị hapụ ịtapụ, because all space travel. So anyị eduruchazie, then ha abụọ na-akpazi nkata. Ma jụọ ya si ọ ga-ele ihe na-eme, ya sị na achọrọ ime top up na ego anụ si na n'ime the card. So m jụọ ya olee otu a ga-esi eme the top up, ya jụọ m ma na-eme transfer. Si ya m jụọ ya ele akaụntụ ga-eme the transfer. So ya jụọ enyi ya nwoke ka ọzọ colleague ya si ya may she do the transfer for the account. So ka ha na na-ekwuzi, ya ọbịa chisi him don observe. Ọ dịka onye na supervise ihe gbasara ego there no around there. So ha say him don observe the movement there. So ma bịa jụọ ya si ele ihe mege, ya sị that na in fact na m ga-ame top up. M si ele the nearest place ime top up, ya sị no inside. M si okay. Onye ka ọzọ yi boot shirt ajụọ m si na nye ya ka ọzọ ka ọ ga mee the top up. So me nye ya my ATM card and everything, and card ka ọzọ see that na you may 5,000, because 5,000 when you from me the card, you jump in ma go the pin. So onye ka ọzọ na hurry kwa ni say do ogbowa the game. So you do chayo tijia the seat belt. The game was about to start, because before then the boy the wig me parade the round. So ofe obi emetu masị my bag lezi anya hụzie ebe a drọpụrụ my leg njozie that boy si ele ebe ya colleague m yes na maghị nke m si na ya wepụ seat belt a ya ọ na-ewest time mjizie force uzie na the seat belt gawazie Akachi Johnson ga-echu the boy garuzie ebe ahụ ahụ m ya hụzie 3 girls pụtaga from the center jụọ ha si enwe ahụrụ one boy on brown t-shirt ha si the boy ji ọsọ pụọ na o ji ọsọ pụọ but the boy agbahụrụ bike and ọbakwa na bọs m si oke garuzie ebe ahụ ahụzi m ya because chejiele ihe ahụ rere around after 8 so ya bịachizie m sizie ndị sekuriti ahụ na ha legide moto ahụ na ha ekwekwara onye ọbụla buru moto ahụ pụọ because ha ji car key and everything pụọ so ha nụzie bịa ihe create wozi awareness gazie n'ime the park m dọrọzie the other boy say that na ọ ga-provide colleague ya yo deny wazi say ọmaha the boy that's na ọmaha onye ọwụ that he doesn't know what we are talking about. I got call attention of the management. The management are saying that now I come more than that's na CCTV no ya that's na ga who with the already for no a small issue I come more than. So I pushes the I pushes in ga no the management ha ba ga ha pụta. So ha saying that na ga bagale the CCTV. All of a sudden he change your mind ya see that na I ga the CCTV. Unless my apolo onye no na uniform. I say okay, one of our friends see him again. I got rush. They got put in the barracks in the army. They look at the gate. How about she gate? See that man there, me I got bata. I say that now. I see that now. What to wear uniform? Okay, go and get the CCTV. And that man have the same gun. Where is he? Lawazi. How about she say I guess so. I guess so. With police here. I say that now. I choose the police here. And I actually lawa. Jack I got reports of the case. Now I choke hanya police here. Hajo. Ka na-eme ihe na ndị polisi anụrụ nwansa ekwucha ihe akwu bịazie bịa kụwazi anyị ihe kwụbazi anyị media ha kpọrọ polisi ma mebe achịkọta polisi kwuruzi anyị kwụba anyị na disiana even slippers my guy furu there with some of my belongings like my charger ihe ndị m ji n'aka and my handbag fichara there ga ha na-akwụbaga mmadụ na the moto anyị eruzi ebe ahụ. The controller saying that now a lot of the suspect without complainant. I am there for over 1 hour for them to bring that suspect out.
Came behind them by what time?
This was around after 11.
In the night?
Yes. So I am the same down to the boy at his own time. Even not change your life yourself. Biazie, hand the name is here interview. Which has a decision and everything. Sisi na igawa. So I ain't na detain the boy because I say that now they will detain him this one that one. I joke she Stacy ID Larry Baby side be attack by that night. Why Larry was after 4 because anyway go oblige no transport. The boy will reach everything on our belongings, every single thing, ATM, key, nothing. So I Larry said the next day. Because the Hannah worried the case. I transfer the case over to onye police hand gazia mechaze ya ga hu the AC I see her demand there for the footage of the camera ha na aware ya till today the AC say na ha nwere 2 options is either ha settle anyone or ha poga to court because is either ha ga on one table ha wa settle anyone jo anyị go let it out the phone so put settle anyone or ha ga wazi court. So is that time we AC picture that thing. He would take the footage of the camera. Actually, with the footage of the camera need the AC. The last time I yes, I gotta view the CCTV.
The guy.
Yes, I know the guy.
The guy actually referred.
Yes, because even before themselves, around 4 p.m. because they played the video as at 4 p.m. to get the actual time. So that boy be before them. Okay. Be before them there. Even the other colleagues have confirmed that boy be there. Joya say, "Ego le kaha baga game. You were not 2-5. You me chapo." All of a sudden, the boy has said that now we came 5. So my Joya, you said you came 5, but that boy be around 4 p.m. job or something. Guess now job. You understand that now, and that he will not answer any direct question thrown to him because those people know the abola and hogasa. Was after the policeman reviewed the whole thing. Say, don't worry, we'll bring your belongings back. You've seen him, he's a suspect. All of a sudden, the name is saying, come today, come tomorrow. Come today, come tomorrow. Today is the case.
The dream
the dream world.
Dream world Amusement Park. And there are the option of settling you people.
Yes.
Mawaga court. So which option can I have?
They did not take anything because they're actually making us a fool. Because what is a casino? And you are using how you go in the hand of fishing there.
But that guy actually the phone now. Is he a worker or a friend?
I don't know for them because even said they were saying that all their workers normally do stay on uniform. But that particular day, 3 of the workers were not on uniform.
Okay.
And when I asked one of them, I think he's a guy. The guy said that do I know how much uniform is? And can I bring out 5,000 for him to start buying uniform?
Okay. Mgbe ị bịara report on this case. Akpọrọ m onye si n'ọnwa onye nwe dream world ahụ. Ya sị m na otu esi eme ihe ahụ bụ na ọrụ na ịbịa dị a n'ịgba game. Na ị nwere 2 options of drop your property. Kemgbe either na ichinyere ihe onye gị na ya so bịa sị ya jidere gị or enye any worker, not only the worker in that particular dream world who ndị ga na-achidere ndị mmadụ property. So and I want to ask, ọ bụrụ na onye ahụ a worker ka ihe nyezi ya dị moral o ji narawazi ya phone narawa other things jidewezi eru.
The thing their policy back then when I used to go to that place to play game should be before you cross them you have to hand them over your card, and that card it signifies that it follow to pass. So and that boy was inside with that boy, showing fully well that they are working together. Because before
the boy no inside.
The boy no inside.
Where only a worker of that place supposed to stay.
Yes.
Okay.
The gate demarcates the worker and us. All how give the gates to enter.
Okay.
And if you enter, you're not allowed to stand around. Except when you play the game, you will sit down and they will cross the street.
Which means if you're a stranger, you're not allowed
within the premises. Yes. Ole gina madu bia kwa no enwere ba ha na etu. Ha ga jide shiri gi your bag and other things I get too far from them because here and turn home when hit somebody. So whenever they provide the chair for them to sit down.
Okay.
So 2 of them were there when we came and both of them greeted us because when we first came, I joined Heba and Umami. They pointed and showed us where we can meet.
Okay.
2 of them. So all of a sudden, the cousin denying that na we came 5. I don't understand what mean by we came 5. Even after watching CCTV, you may say culture you push up. That's why that na the boy had better before. Toya egole mechapo. Ne nyokuluta unyo gegwechi.
Okay.
Statement yana this is confusing and other things.
Then it is clear that guy, that guy.
Yes, that guy.
Everybody know who work and they all go very well.
Because from the way I share up, even 2 of my cards here, the overly one, the other boy one.
Wow.
So how bought those cards there? So I wonder why OJ denied that the fact that no man who the boy, because you're no man here, there is no way you can say somebody that is not working there your cards to card you out. It's not possible. And him to matter self, now 2 of them connive that in doing those things is because one of their, I think is their manager they in charge of surveying the whole place for money they are there. So I think maybe all they check you receipt of how you make payments and how many people bag the game. So from the way Hasha could get in, don't notice movements. In fact, if you do transfer, all those kind of things, seem to notice that something is going on. Is it that they wanted us to do transfer to their own personal account, which if at the and they state here, are not allowed to make transfer into an account except
the management.
Yes, the management account, and they are there. So that in how make it them is they all a little bit suspicious for us to do transfer to their own personal account. Because of that man who's in the house, I got me top up. The other one I see any ATM or give any top up gadget made the top up. I hear freely near the ATM because for those 5,000 that was inside the card. Yes, everything.
Alright. So the meat of the matter, they are here to respond. Either to settle them or other court of where? Yeah. Alright. Other my people in such cases, you can even comment on the comment section. Comment here on the comment section so that the world will also know. Now, a case of 4 fools. Fools how much?
All of those phones is approximately 2,033,000.
Okay, the 4 fools.
Yes, because the 14 Pro is 1.3.
Okay.
The iPhone 12 Pro is 480,000. Okay. The Samsung Galaxy A24 is 170,000. Okay. Then the Hot 8 that got missing is 75,000. I don't even add the valuables that went missing inside the bag. I work for it. I see her okay. If the money is too much for them, they can buy the gadgets for us back. Okay. We don't, because near with the rate of dollar, they can buy those things back for us. Or if they feel like we are cheating them, they can give us the money like that. We even remove 33,000 to them to give us 2 million.
Okay. All right. So, Dream World Amusement Park. So that the management, I don't know, in Nigeria. So probably they are aware. Being with a business. They are aware when they try to run or get down business. You know, town. They may go to Nigeria. See, get some people here, man, criminals. You take criminals in a company again. So, Abro Nimo, Dream World Amusement Park, Tosaozia, Guru Yante. What is happening in the company he established in Nigeria. They will know.
Yeah, my wonderful people, you know, say for inside this house, we'll get lawyers, we'll get police, we'll get army, we'll get every. Now is the time to share your professional. Please judge this matter for inside comment section. Let me know what you think, where this girl supposed to advice we if you give them at this moment. We will see for inside comment section talk about this matter.